Dear students, we are going to see a small topic from real analysis, and it is limits of a function. Limits of a function. It is a very interesting topic to study and to learn and to execute, and many problems for a competitive exams are asked from this topic, and I have explained and what is a limit and a definition, and within a small example. I think everyone will like this topic. Limit of a function. First, we want to know what is a function. So function, basically function will be denoted as f of x. So x is a variable and f is a function which acts on the variable x. Here I have explained a function with an example. Look at the example 1. The volume of a sphere depends on its radius. The volume of a sphere depends on its radius. Volume is a dependent variable x. Radius is a independent variable y. So the two variables x and y are said to be a function of each other when the value of one of them depend on those of the other. So the value of one depend on the another variable. So here the value of y depend on the variable x. So you can write as y equal to f of x, or else x is equal to pi of y. So the value of y, the value of x depends on the y. Or we can write as f of x comma y equal to 0. So these are the function notations. We know that functions are of different types. In elementary, we have studied different types of functions, and we know that is logarithmic function, exponential function, polynomial function, trigonometrical function. Even a constant is also a function. So we have learned a different types of function in our elementary. And for that function, we are going to find the limit. What are the limit points of the function? So, while finding the limit, we want to come across two types. One is limit of a function, left hand limit and a right hand limit. So, left hand limit and right hand limit. For example, if x is a limit point, so x minus, that means the value which is less than, that is belong to the left hand side, will be the left hand that approaches a, and similarly a plus some value that will approaches a. So the left hand limit and the right hand side both approaches the same point a. So that case a will be the limit point. Let us see with a definition the left hand limit. So listen here. So limit extends to a minus. So left hand side. So the value will be lesser than a. A minus f of x is equal to limit extends to 0 f of x minus x, that is equal to L1. So this is the formula to find the left hand limit. When you come to the right hand limit, limit extends to a plus f of x is equal to limit extends to 0 f of x plus x, which is equal to L2. So this is how we will find the right hand limit. So both approaches a limit point L1 and L2. When this L1 and L2 are same, we say that the limit exists. Otherwise, we say that limit does not exist. So we will see a small example for this definition. Let us take here. Let us come see here. Find the limit of the function. Limit extends to 0. F of x is equal to x square plus 4 divided by x plus 2. See here. Here f of x is x square plus 4 divided by x plus 2. Left hand limit. To find the limit, we want to find the left hand limit and also the right hand limit. So limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 f of 2 minus x. On substituting this, you will be having the equation 8 minus 4h plus h square divided by 4 minus L. When h tends to 0, everything will tends to 0, and the remaining is 8 by 4, which is equal to 2, that is your L1. Similarly, the right hand limit x tends to 2 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0, f of 2 plus h. On applying the limit, you will be getting the answer 2. When you look carefully, that L1 and L2 are the same. So both the left hand limit and right hand limit approaches the same point 2, so that the limit exists for this function. So limit x tends to 0, f of x, that is equal to 2. So this is a small example for the limit of the function. Similarly, we can apply this for everything. When you see this topic, it is very useful, and most of the competitive exam like CSER NET, SET exam and many other competitive exam related to anything, they are this is the main topic they are asking. This main topic from real analysis, frequently asking several questions from this topic, and let us learn this topic carefully. Thank you.